all the gigantic things in this universe, nature comes from smaller things. Like a tree comes from a seed. Like this gigantic universe comes from a big bang. So everything comes from a smaller thing. Not only things, our thoughts, our actions, everything comes from a smaller things. This smaller things we call it as root pattern. For every gigantic thing, gigantic problem, if you are able to find, if you are able to see the root pattern, the base pattern, then it is easy to solve any gigantic problems or gigantic things. To understand that, to solve that, you must know the root pattern technique. In mathematics also, if you want to solve bigger problems, you should find the root pattern from which it develops. Come, let's see how this root pattern technique works out in numbers, how the numbers are dancing. Now we are into the green board. We are going to see what is the root pattern technique with some examples. First of all, we will find any 2-digit or 3-digit number where the unit digit is 5. For example, 55 square we will find what is 55 square. There is a shortcut trick. We will use that root pattern trick. Now 55 square we can write like this: 55 into 55. You have to multiply 55 into 55. This means 55 square. Okay. Now we will apply the root. We will apply the root pattern trick here. There is a trick to solve this for any number which ends in 5, where the unit digit is 5. If it ends in 5, the last 2 digits will be 25. There will be no change. Blindly you can write. And here the 10th digit is 5. The next number of 5 is 6. So multiply 5 into 6. Multiply the number with the next number and put it here. So simple. See, we will find another number where the unit digit is 5. 25 square we will take. Okay. Here you can blindly put 25, the last 2 numbers. Here 2 into the next number of 2 is 3. So therefore 6, 25. So within a second we can write the answer. This pattern works for all numbers which ends in 5. 3 into 4 is 12. 5 square is 25. Okay. So 1225 is the value of 35. See how simple it is. Now we will take a bigger number, 75 square. 7 into 8 is 56 and 25. 5625 is the answer. Now we will apply this to 85 square. 8 into 9 is 72 and 25, 7225. Like this, we can find the squares within a second for the numbers which ends in 5. Now we extend this root technique pattern. Now let us take 25 square. Let us write like this: 25 and 25, one below the other. Now there is a pattern. Now we will extend this pattern. How this works? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. If you add the unit digit of the 2 numbers, if it is 10, then this pattern works. Okay. So 5 into 5 is 25 and 2 into 3 is 6. Like this, where we find the answer. Okay. Now we will calculate in another way. So if any 2 numbers in which the digit, unit digit, the sum of the unit digit equals to 10, will this pattern, will this trick works out? Let us find. Now 24 into 26. Now here 6 plus 4 is 10. The sum of the unit digits equals to 10. If this happens, we will check whether this trick workouts. This trick will very well work out for this two numbers also. So here we will put 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 2 into 3 is 6. The same as previous. How I will solve these problems? We put 2 into the next number of 2 is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 4 into 6 is 24. Now you will find another number, another two numbers. 32 into 38. Here also the sum of unit digits is equal to 0. Therefore 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 8 into 2 is 16. Yeah, this trick works for these types of sums also, where the unit digits, the sum of the unit digits equals to 10 and the tens digits are equal. This pattern works out. Now we will find 87 into 83. Here also 7 plus 3 is 10 and the both are tens digit are 8. So this pattern will definitely work out. 8 into 9. The next number of 8 is 9. Therefore 8 into 9 is 72 and this 7 into 3 is 71. Therefore the answer is 7221 is the answer. Now we will extend this further. We will extend this pattern to another level. Okay. Now you see here 25 square. You see here we will write like this. Now 25 square is equal to 25 by 25. 25 one below the other we will write like this. Therefore the answer is 625. We have already seen this. Now we will see another pattern. The same thing we will do like this. Now the tens digit you multiply 2 into 2, both the tens digit, and you add the first number, first tenth digit. In the top number you have 2. Therefore 2 into 2 plus 2. The value is 6. That 6 is here. Okay. What is the use of knowing this pattern? We will see. Now suppose 32 into 38. Okay. 8 into 2 is 16. No change in that. Here 3 into 3 plus 3. The top numbers 10th digit you have to add. You multiply both the 10th digits, 3 into 3 plus the top 10th digit, top numbers 10th digit. This is a pattern. This will beautifully work out for some other numbers. Now 3 into 3 plus 3 is 12. Therefore 1216 is the answer. Now we will see what is the use of knowing this pattern. Now here 32 into 38 32 into 38 or 32 into 48. Previously the 10th digit are same. We have find the shortcut method where the 10th digit also same and the unit digit, the sum of unit digit is 10. Now we will extend this to another level. If the two 10th digit numbers are not equal, then will this pattern works? We will check it out how to do this. Now if this happens, you have to multiply 8 into 2 the unit digits, and you should not put 16 as it is because the 10th digits are not same here. So you have to do one more thing. See, 3 to 4 it is one rotation farther. That is 32 lies in between 30 to 40. This is called one rotation. Okay, 10 to 20 one rotation, 20 to 30 one rotation, 30 to 40 one rotation. And 48 lies in between 40 to 50. Okay, this is another rotation. So 32 is in this rotation and 48 is in rotation. Therefore, the difference is one rotation. What is the difference between the two tenth digits? Is one rotation. Therefore, you multiply this unit digit into 1 and put it as a tenth digit. So 2, you can write it as 20. Therefore, 36 will be the last two digits. Okay, you follow me carefully. So here the last two digits will be 36. Now it is easy to find the other digits. The same method we have previously followed. So here you should carefully put how many rotations are there in between the first number and the second number. You multiply this with the unit digit and find the value, add to it, that is the last two number. Now 4 into 3 plus 3. 3 is the top number's 10th digit. Okay, top digit. Okay, so 4 into 3 plus 3. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, therefore 15 comes here. Therefore the answer is 1536. See how beautifully this pattern works. Now we will see whether it works for other numbers. Now 43, we will take 43 into 87. Here also 7 plus 3, the sum of the unit digits are 10, and here we have different numbers. So we can straight away find 8 minus 4 is 4. Therefore the difference is 4 rotation. Okay. Now 7 into 3 is 21. If you multiply the unit digits, 7 into 3 is 21 and the difference of rotation is 4. Therefore you multiply 4 with that unit digit, this unit digit 3. Therefore you multiply 3 into 4 is 12. 12 we have to write in tens, therefore 120. You should not write 12 as it is, you have to put a 0. Make it as a tens digit. So 21 plus 120 is equal to 141. You take that 41 and write it here, that is the last two numbers. Always there will be only two digits. If 3 digits comes, this 1 will carry forward. You carry forward this 1 and the same procedure, 8 into 4 plus 4, the top 10th digit. Top numbers 10th digit you add. 8 into 4, 32 plus 4 is equal to 36. You write this 36 here, therefore, and this 1 carry forward, you add this to 36. So 3741 is the answer. Don't forget to add the carry forward number. So 8 into 4 plus 4 is equal to 36 and the carry forward 1 you add 37. 3741 is the answer. Now we will find the value of 43 into 57. Here also 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So 7 into 3 is 21 and the difference is 1 rotation. 1 into 3 is 3. So 30 you have to add 51, which forms the last two numbers. 5 into 4 plus 4. So 24. So 24, 2451 is the answer. So within a fraction of second, within 2-3 seconds, you can find the value of the multiplication of any two numbers in which the sum of the unit digits are 10. Now we will see some more problems. 36 you take and you multiply this with 54. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay. 6 plus 4 is 10. Therefore, 6 into 4 is 24. Here 2 rotation. So, 2 into 6 is 12, 120. 144. Here you take 44 right here. 1 carry forward. 5 into 3 plus 3. 5 into 3 plus 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18. And the carry forward 1 add 1944 is the answer. Like that you can quickly find from this trick. Now we will find the value for some bigger number. 88 into 92. 8 2s are 16. 1 rotation. 9 minus 8 is 1. Therefore multiply 1 into 8. 8 will come. You add 80. 80. So 96. You write 96 here. Now 9 into 8 plus 8. 9 into 8 plus 8. 72 plus 8 is 80. Therefore 8096. Okay. Now you have to write the smaller number in the top and the bigger number below that number. Then only this pattern works out. Don't put the higher number first and then below that the lower number. See you in the next episode. Until then, it is AJH signing off. Thank you.